Hi, Gems, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our Battersea pop-up is in 5 days, 5 days from now. So today's vlog or video is just been a combination of what I've been doing all week, and I'm going to be putting the rings in their sizes so that people can easily pick their size. If you don't know me, my name is Adepeju and I run this YouTube channel. It's basically behind the scenes of my jewelry business, my handmade jewelry business. I make personalized jewelry and stackable rings. So come along on this journey as we prepare for the Battersea Power Station pop-up. We're popping up at Battersea on August 8th and 9th. So I'm really excited. It's my first time going to Battersea Power Station as well. So it's my first time and we're popping up there. It's going to be from on the 8th, we're there for 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Then on Sunday, which is 9th of August, we're there for 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. So yes, if you live in Battersea or anywhere around there, please come by, say hello, and yeah, let's just get into the video. And I just got the last bits of things I need. And this is the most important thing that just got delivered. These are our business cards. So the very first market I attended in the UK, I did not have a business card. And I had this really older couple that wanted to buy something from me. They bought the bag actually. And they go, oh, would like to buy during Christmas again. Do you have a business card? And I was like, I don't have a business card, but you can take my Etsy shop or my Instagram page. And they're like, nah, we don't do that. Again, this is all about knowing the audience of where you're going to so you can prepare. So I learned that lesson there. So any market I am going with my cards. So aside from the business cards that I write, and by the way, I shipped this from Nigeria. They came all the way from Nigeria. So aside from this, I I have what's it called? Customized handwritten notes. So I'm going to be taking some of them to the market in case there is anybody that buys a gift for their loved ones right on the spot. They get to write an handwritten notes if they want to. It's not by force. Then our paper bag. So this paper bag will just be used for basically markets, just markets. It says join the rerasmith community because I'm trying to gather email lists. I'm trying to build up my email list. That sounded wrong. I'm trying to build up my email list. So this is a way of telling them to sign up if they're interested in what we are doing. And okay, this one I know was in here. So this is from Cooks on Gold again. It's some silver blanks, because for this market I am and stamping live, so people get to choose what they want. Yay. Yeah, I will unbox this later. So let's get into the last one. So this is lamp. So we were told that it gets dark in Battersea, so we were advised to bring lamps. So I just ordered one. I ordered two, because we're selling jewelry. So if people don't see what we're buying, then something is wrong. So, oops, needs to be plugged for it to work. Okay, I'll figure that out. I'll try it later. Pretty much, that's what is here. These lights. So these are the personalized rings. These are the personalized rings. I'm not stamping them from home. I'll be stamping them live there where people can pick their designs. So I hope it goes well. So let's continue. This is mine. My fingers are so tiny. So the rings have been labeled, but I think I'm going to transfer them into another box. What we're doing next is we're polishing blanks that we're taking to I'm wearing one of the first pieces I made. This is a bezel setting, and these cross earrings. I'm so proud of them. So that's why I wore to church today. This one and this. So yes, the rings are ready.